Hello everybody, today I'll talk on exception handling in Java. Exception handling ensures that the flow of program does not break when an exception occurs. What is an exception? An exception is an unwanted event that interrupts the normal flow of the program when an exception occurs. There is a special feature in Java which handles this exception called exception handling. There are two types of exceptions in Java: built-in exception and user-defined exception. Built-in exceptions are the exceptions which are available in Java libraries. These are some exception types. These exceptions are self-explanatory. Arithmetic exception occurs when exception condition has occurred in arithmetic operation. Array index out of bound exception occurs when array has been accessed with illegal index. IO exception occurs when IO operation failed, and so on. User-defined exception. In some cases, built-in exceptions in Java are not able to describe certain situation. In such cases, user-defined exceptions are created. Exception hierarchy. This diagram shows exception hierarchy. Throwable is base class of hierarchy. All exception types are subclass of built-in class throwable. Throwable is a class that partition exception into two distinct subclasses, namely exception and error. We should know the key difference between error and exception. An error can never be recovered, whereas exception can be recovered by handling it. Error occurs only at runtime. Exception can occur at both runtime and compile time. Runtime exception. It is not required to handle this type of exception. Example: division by 0, null pointer exception. There are two main types of exception in Java: checked and unchecked exception. The main difference between checked and unchecked exception is that checked exceptions are checked at compile time, while unchecked exceptions are checked at runtime. This is exception handling mechanism flow. If exception not handled, it may lead to system failure. Java exceptions are handled by 5 keywords: try, catch, throws, finally. We'll see one by one. Try. Java try block is used to enclose the code that might throw an exception. It must be used within the method. Java try block must be followed by either catch or finally block. Catch. Java catch block is used to handle exception. It must be used after the try block only. We can use multiple catch block with single try. Finally, it executes whether or not an exception is thrown in corresponding try block or any of its corresponding catch block. Throw. Throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception. It is used within the method. It is followed by an instance. Throws. Throws keyword is used to declare an exception. It is used with the method signature. It is followed by a class. This is the simple program for reading the file from the disk. Command was issued to read a file from the disk, but error in reading file. It may throw an exception from try block. Catch block handles the exception by printing exception occurred. Throw keyword again throws the exception, and finally block executes if exception happens or not. In this program, it just closes the file. Thus, exception handling is explained. Please do subscribe my channel for more Java tutorials. Thank you.